In this video, we'll perform in-place upgrades of Rafay MKS-based Upstream Kubernetes clusters operating on Nutanix platform. In this cluster spec file, let's go and update from Kubernetes 1.29 to 1.30.1 and save it to Git. And once this updated file is committed to the Git repo, the integrated GitOps pipeline in Rafay will detect the change in Git, pick it up, and start processing the changes. As you can see here, the pipelines picked it up, and let's go look at our existing cluster. And as you can see here, the upgrade status has changed and a pre-flight check is already underway. In a few seconds, the pre-flight checks will be complete and the upgrade plan executes. In this case, we have 3 nodes in our cluster and all 3 nodes have been successfully upgraded to the new version of Kubernetes. And once this is complete and the post validation of the upgrade step is complete, we can go and check that our cluster now is running 1.30.1, which was the new version we specified in our cluster spec in Git.